Yes, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to King's Expo. You're jumping with Eric, my first set. Get ready for a masala of laughter comedy night with the blogger, comedian, Juan Ising, the tandem, Anticol, Jodessa, and the dynamic two, Queen Uncle and the Beachy here at King's Food and Music Expo on September 29. Anong September 29 na started at 7 p.m. up to 10 p.m. We have tickets for only 300. That includes a chance to win raffle prizes from Samsung. Raffle sa tag 300 na tickets tapos na ay raffles from Samsung. Grab your tickets at any store inside King's Food and Music Expo or online. Alright? So, na itong events karong September 29 din sa King's Expo, no? 7 to 10 p.m. Alright. And we'd like to thank all the sponsors for tonight. The original La Paz Batchoy, Naima Halal, Bunchok, Kabkaban, Side Food Store, Mga Tuna Seafoods, Restaurants, Kana Sutra, Indian Cuisine, Junkies Kitchen, Chef Chowpan and Potter House, Daily Plate Diner, and La Halo Halo, Ma'am Tina, Eats Good Palace, and AG Thailand Food, Insha, and of course, Swiss Daniel. Alright, thank you so much sa mga sponsors for the night. Yes. And welcome to my first set. This is our first song. It's called Please. First song of the night, All This But Goodies. Medyo mahina ang tempo sa kong drummer. Yes, I'd like to welcome all the new guests stating welcome to King's Expo. And welcome to my first set. Pause muna tayo.
Inaya gamay ang drum. Ang drum, inaya gamay.